Welcome. In this video, we will guide you through the simple steps to add your grandfather as a family member on Facebook using your PC. This new update makes it easier than ever to keep your family connected online, so let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Facebook website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the page. You will see your profile photo there. Click on it to open your profile. Now that you're on your profile page, find the About section. This is where you can manage all your personal information, including family relationships. In the About section, scroll down until you see the Family and Relationships tab. Here, you'll find an option that says Add Family Member. Click on this option to proceed. A new window will pop up prompting you to enter the name of the family member you want to add. Type in your grandfather's name. Facebook will help you by suggesting profiles that match the name you entered. Select your grandfather from the list. Next, it's time to specify the relationship. In the drop-down menu labeled Relationship, choose Grandfather. This ensures that everyone who views your profile knows exactly how he is related to you. Finally, click on the Save button to complete the process. Congratulations, you've successfully added your grandfather to your family members on Facebook. Now, when friends and family visit your profile, they'll see your grandfather listed as part of your family connections. It's a great way to honor him and keep those family ties strong. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on using Facebook and staying connected with loved ones. Stay tuned for our next video.